Imagine this. You wake up one morning, look out the window, and there it is, not the sunlight, not the heat. The actual sun itself is falling down toward Earth. What happens next? Can we escape? Is there any way to stop it? And if the sun really gets that close, how long do we have before everything's gone? Today, we're diving into a crazy what if. What if the sun crashed into Earth? Let's start with some basics. The sun isn't just a light bulb in the sky. It's a massive burning star over 1 million times bigger than Earth and sitting about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers away, and that distance is what keeps us alive. So obviously, in real life, the sun can't just fall on Earth, but let's ignore the rules of physics for a second and imagine it did. Phase 1. As it gets closer, even way before it reaches us, things go bad. Like, really bad. The sun's heat already hits us hard from millions of miles away. So just imagine it getting 10 million miles closer, then 1 million. It would be like Earth getting thrown straight into a giant oven. Oceans, gone. They'd boil off into steam. Rivers, lakes, vaporized. The air itself would turn to fire. Plants, animals, people, all gone. Everything would burn to a crisp way before the sun even touches us. And gravity, that gets crazy too. As the sun gets closer, its pull starts to mess with Earth's orbit, and even the orbits of other planets. The solar system would fall apart. Phase 2, melt down. If the sun keeps getting closer, the Earth's surface would melt. Not just heat. We're talking about actual rocks and metals turning into lava. Skyscrapers, mountains, cities, gone. The ground beneath our feet, gone. The atmosphere would be stripped away. No air, no clouds, no blue sky, nothing. At this point, Earth isn't a planet anymore. It's a melting rock floating in space. Phase 3. Collision now. Here comes the final moment. The sun actually hits the Earth. What happens? Earth disappears, just like that. The sun is so huge and hot, its core reaches around 15 million degrees Celsius, that our entire planet would be swallowed, vaporized, and absorbed into the sun like a drop of water into a volcano. No explosion, no dramatic fight. FSSSSS just ... gone. Could this ever really happen? Scientifically, nope. The sun doesn't move like that. It's the center of our solar system. We orbit around it. But one day, billions of years from now, the sun will start to change. It'll become a red giant, a huge, swollen version of itself, and when that happens, it could actually swallow Mercury, Venus. And yeah, Earth too. It won't be falling on us, but it'll expand and engulf us. Same result, Earth won't survive. Can we escape it? Honestly, no. Even with the best rockets and tech, we wouldn't have time or anywhere nearby to run to. This is a full system shutdown. No rescue mission. Game over. So why talk about something this impossible? Because asking wild questions makes us think bigger. It reminds us how tiny we really are in the universe. That this little blue planet we live on is only here because everything is perfectly balanced. Distance, gravity, heat. And most of all, it makes us appreciate the sun itself. That big fireball isn't just a killer waiting to fall. It's life. Without it, we'd freeze. Too close, we burn. But right now, it's in the perfect spot. So yeah, the sun falling on Earth is total science fiction. But thinking about it, it helps us understand just how fragile and lucky we are. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. And if there's a weird question stuck in your head, drop it in the comments. It might be the topic of our next deep dive.